Question 9 of the additional maths paper 2019. So this question, it tells us we're not to use a calculator. It tells us to simplify sine 60 times cos 60. Now, two of the trig values that you should learn through your time in school is the fact that you know what sine 60 is and cos 60. Now, if you can't remember these in the exam, technically you can use your calculator just to type in them separately, but please make sure you identify them and not just do the whole sum in your calculator, because then you don't get any marks. So sine 60 gives you root 3 over 2. Okay, and cos 60 is a half. Now, what the exam is asking you to do is to do root 3 over 2 times a half and show that working for them. So we're multiplying the top, that just leaves us with root 3. Multiplying the bottom just leaves you with root 4. Sorry, not root 4, just 4. And that's how we finish the question. And that is all the examiner's asking for. It's not asking for anything else per se, so that should be enough. Now, if we look at the answer part by here, so it's got root 3 times 1 is root 3, and 2 times 2 is 4. So workings must be shown, which we have shown. Done. If that was okay for you, all finished.